Hi, I am your Idle Smart virtual assistant. In today's video, we are going to talk through a driver's experience in the truck and how to arm our system when it is paired with a battery APU. When our system is paired with a battery APU, we are not monitoring the truck for AC or heat. Be sure to arm your APU when you need cooling or heating. Our system will start the truck automatically when the batteries for both the APU and the truck are reaching low voltages and will run until charged, then shut down. We also allow the APU to keep running when we start the truck, so your sleep is not interrupted and you stay comfortable throughout your rest period. It will also start the truck if it detects the coolant temperature is starting to get too cool in cold weather and run to warm it up, preventing cold starts or fuel gelling. To be sure that Idle Smart is on and will start the truck, check these 3 items listed above. The key is in the off position or out of the ignition completely. Set the tractor brakes. And check that the kill switch is on. Our kill switch that is located on the dash needs to be in the on position at all times, unless the truck is in the shop for maintenance. Otherwise, it prevents us from starting when we need to. For further questions, please feel free to call us directly. We provide customer service 7 days a week. Thank you.